Welcome back to Steve's Small Engine Saloon.
Well, hello everyone. It's not very often I get confused about something on a two-stroke engine. This one baffles me. I need to show you this because I'm seriously confused about this. On the video I just put out about this backpack blower, links underneath this video in the description and the pinned comment. You can see that. On that video, there was a couple commenters that said, hey, aren't the piston ring locator pins supposed to be on the intake side, not the exhaust side? That's absolutely true in most cases. Now, I know a lot of you are going to say, well, Steve, this is the aftermarket piston you put on there from the last video. Yes, it is. But when I took this the cylinder off for the very first time with the original Husqvarna cylinder and piston, this was the exact same way. That's why I put it on this way. This is a 350 BT Husqvarna backpack blower. On 99.9% of pistons you ever see, there is a stamp in the top. It's an arrow of some kind that always points to the exhaust side, to your muffler side. That's the point of that stamp. And here are the piston ring locator pins right here. Top ring right there, bottom ring on that side. Those two piston ring pins right there are on the same side as the arrow. They're on the exhaust side. A lot of people thought I got that wrong on the last video. But here's the thing, you see, if you look from the side view of this piston, it's not symmetrical. On the intake side, there's this little tab right here that comes down. I tried flipping that around, and you can't flip it around because when you pull that up and down, the piston actually gets stuck on there if that piston's on the wrong way. It won't work the other way around. So the arrow is correct because that's the only way it works. But why are those locator pins on the exhaust side of that piston? I have never seen that before. Why in the hell would a manufacturer do that? It goes against the grain of everything that I've ever learned about small engines, two-stroke small engines. And I'm just absolutely confused by that. I was hoping maybe some of you, especially you small engine mechanics, you might know the reason why a manufacturer would do that. So always trust the arrow on the top of the piston. Don't worry about where those locator pins are because, like I just told you, if I spin it around so the locator pins are on the intake like I think they should be, it just doesn't work because of that little tab sticking down there. Anywho, put your comments down. Let me know, why would a manufacturer do that? Till next video, Steve out.